Hi guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy. Salman is here. So looking at the dollar index, we can see the high here, lower high. So basically that's high one, that's high two, you're making a lower high. The question is, where is high number three? Where is this one? What this means is we're waiting for the correction to finish to give us high number three, then we are down again, okay? We'll continue the down move. So basically we're waiting for this wave to finish somewhere between 1770 to 1860. So we can highlight high number three here. Then we are continuing 104.50 next support level. So we will continue to 104.50, the next support level. So I want you to be clear that the next direction for the dollar index, so the DXY, next direction is only down, and we are going between 96 to 98 in the long term, okay? So from now on, I want this to be clear. We are going to 96, 98. Any up wave in the dollar index, it will be a correction. It will not be an easy ride. It will not be a smooth journey. It will have bumps. It will have correction here and there, but no problem. We know our target. So the smart one who can play it the right way. Okay. So that's something to pay attention to. How the dollar index will affect the euro? First, this is VSA market scanner. If you guys join an FX market strategy, you can download this. This will give you edge in the market, so you can always monitor what's going on. So let's say euro is very weak, you can sell the euro and buy the dollar or buy the pound, for example. It will give you an edge in the market. Also on this side, it will give you all the signals, what's going on currency. We jump to the euro dollar, strong up wave followed by correction. CPI very positive first day and second day, then we run to a correction. Okay, did the correction finish? I think not yet. Okay, look at the MACD. We're still just opening here. So maybe we need a deeper correction somewhere here like this. And from here, we can continue to the upside. Traders are two kinds. One of them is going to say, hey, Salman, I want to take this sell, and when it start to reversing, I will take the buy. It's your choice. Another one will say, you know what? No, this sell, I know it's a correction. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to risk this down wave. I'm going to wait, finish this correction. Once I see this going back up, getting a signal, beautiful signal like this one, getting the Apple trading system to give me a reversal signal, then I'm going to join this buy from here. Okay, then I'm going to take a buy from here. That's your choice also, okay? So traders are two kind. One is going to say, I'm going to go with this down wave and take it. The other one is going to say, no, I'm going to wait till this finished, and I'm going to take the next up wave going with the trend, okay? So this one, the one who's going to take the up wave is called trend filter. Trend filter is he only, for the uptrend, he only take this wave. And what about this down wave, this correction wave? No, he's going to filter this one. He's not going to take it, okay? Then when he gets the next wave, he's going to take this one. What about the correction wave? He's not going to take it. He's going to ignore this one, okay? So that's called the trend filter. And some smart people do that, okay? So that's the euro dollar, very clear where we're going. So one wave down to finish this correction. You guys know correction can be running in different structures, right? Can be running like you know, you could be going like this, getting a correction sideways, you're going to be like this, going a correction to the upside, going like this, going correction to the downside, going like this, getting a correction like a channel, getting a correction like a triangle, or like that, okay, or even like this, right? So all this are kind of correction, just no big price movement, and it takes a lot of time, okay? If you want to describe correction against big moves, look at this. In how many hours, or this, even this, okay? How much time and how much price? Look at this. How much time and how much price? So much price in very little of time. That's trend. In the opposite, look at this, all this. Just was trending, right? Look at even all this. See, from here to there, small amount of price compared to such a big move in so much time. And this will give the candle shape. So when you're going in an uptrend, you're gonna find, let's say the candles are big candles like this. You know, the body of the candle is huge. But when you're going in a correction, you're gonna find small candles. You can't even see them next to each other. And one down, and then the next one just up. Drive you crazy, you know? Like this, you know? Why? Because they're just collecting more orders. The market is in decision mode, not decided yet. Okay? But we know one wave down, finish this correction, get liquidity, and then next wave up. Okay, MACD to finish right here. Okay, guys. So I don't recommend. So that's it for euro dollar. Next is gold. Gold, guys, I want you to be clear. Gold going to 1850, then 1900. Okay, why is this happening? Because DXY we expect it to fall, and US10Y also expected to fall. The fall of the dollar index and the yields is gonna just make the gold fly. Okay, so we have had such a huge move to the upside. Look at this, such a big move. Okay, then right here, that's what I was talking about, the small candles. Okay, look guys at these candles, very small candles. Look at those three, huge. Look at this, huge. Yeah, so these are trend candles, but these are correction candles. Look at even all this time. Look at this, what's happening here? Just correction. So just consuming time, getting more orders, taking more time. Okay, so don't lose your patience. Patience is very, very important. The market reward the patient people. If you're patient, we're gonna be very good. Hey guys, don't forget in XM Life Education, we have in English and different languages. You can join XM. There's plenty of great technical analysts who do analyze the market, in daily basis. They give educational material. If you guys join XM, you're gonna get access to all the educational and life analysis every day in London and New York. Session is great. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys down there. If you want to just log in, then access XM Life Education. Then also you can ask a question live all the time. So it's great to join, guys. Okay. So right here, what we're looking for the dollar index. So here, what we're looking for the gold is either to finish the correction at 1750 or actually go down to 1721. Either case, we're only looking for a correction to finish. So just patience. Pound dollar, the same scenario, such an A, B, C, finished. We need a correction to start a new A, B, C, D. Okay, so we are just going in a correction sideways. Is this finished or can go one more down? It could go one more down. Okay, so don't rush it. This can go one more down before it just flies to the upside. Dollar CHF, the same scenario, such a huge. If you guys want to download Apple Trading System, you can join FX Market Strategy and download it. It's a great system to help you in your trading. The higher the correction, the better for us, because we know the second wave is down, so we need to have a better price. Okay, so the higher the correction, the better for us. Okay, guys. USD JPY here, Bollinger Band. So what you could expect is just another move to the upside, going here to 142, 144. Then we continue. This is going to 130, guys. Okay. Next is Dow Jones. So you guys, as you can see, since the market start anticipating the Feds are getting close to finishing the rate hikes, okay, so we're almost 80% of the rate hike. If we go to 5%, we are now at 4%. So that's it. So we can see the Dow Jones bounce to the upside from here. What's next? After such a big move, okay, so we have had such a big move. CPI was very good, but last week the core retail was kind of still positive. So it sent the Dow down a little bit, because what this means is that American economy is really strong still, okay? It's still very strong. So just let you know, guys, so the Feds, to kind of holding rates and quantitative tightening, which is actually taking money out of the market, they need to see unemployment kind of rise a little bit. They want to see wages hold down a little bit. Okay, they want to see the retail sales, the consumption, the spending, all of this stuff actually is going down. Inflation also, they want to see it going down. Okay, why are they doing this? Okay, they want to keep the inflation down, so they want the prices for the American consumer to kind of be stable, low. Okay, so some people may be happy with higher wages, but if higher wages are going high, but the inflation and prices of everything is going even higher, you're gonna actually not get more money, you're gonna get less money. Your purchase power is gonna get less. So what happened last week is we've got the CPI, the inflation was 7.9, okay, forecast. Previous was 8.2, but the result was 7.7. So inflation is going down. That was really good. But the core retail, which is the retail sales, is still very high. The number came positive. So what does this mean? Is the American economy is still very strong, very, very strong number, okay? It's going very hot. So what we want to say is, let's say NFB number, they're kind of disappointing. We want to see this. Why? Because this will give the Feds what they want from the unemployment is rising a little bit. Okay, the job demand is decreasing, the wages are kind of cooling off, so they can fight inflation and we are over. Okay, so that's why the core retail, which is supposed to be something positive for the economy, when you say, oh, core retail sales is positive, so spending and going fast is good. Yes, but not when the inflation is high. When inflation is high, this stuff is bad because it's going to increase inflation. Okay, so that's why it went down. Afterwards, it just finished the correction, it started going up. We have two scenarios. This can go up, continue from here. Once it breaks above the 34K, was close above one candle 4 hour time frame, steady above it, we are good to the upside. Another scenario, and I can see this happening, is we sink again here. One more wave here, collect liquidity, then we go from here, okay, to the upside. Dow Jones, in my opinion, we can go back to 36, 37 easily. Okay, but it's not gonna be an easy ride. It's gonna have bumps here and there. Okay, something to keep an eye on. That's it. I'm gonna keep it short, guys. Uh, if you didn't join XM, it's time to join our XM life education. Great analyst. Okay, they will help you read the market, will help answer the question live, a service you get where you can find some other place. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.